Every year on Halloween, the streets fill with costumes, candy, and decorations. But while most people enjoy the fun, some take it too far. From stolen candy bowls to creepy porch decorations vanishing in the night, these shocking Halloween crimes will make you think twice before opening the door. USA, October 31st, 2024. After a night of trick-or-treating, one family discovered their Halloween candy bucket had mysteriously vanished. Security cameras revealed the culprit, a young girl sneaking off with the bucket. But what she didn't expect was instant karma waiting just around the corner. North Babylon, New York, October 31st, 2024. On Halloween night, a security camera captured a stranger walking up to a home and stealing candy straight from the bowl left out for trick-or-treaters. Albuquerque, New Mexico, October 2023. A home security camera captured the moment a thief brazenly stole Halloween decorations right from the front yard. Carmichael, California, October 31st, 2018. On Halloween night, a woman accompanied by two children approached a home to trick-or-treat. But instead of just candy, she decided to take an Amazon package left at the door as her own treat. Westchester, New York, October 31st, 2016. While the family was out trick-or-treating, they left 2 bags of candy in a bowl by the front door. Just 15 minutes later, their Ring camera recorded a woman taking every piece of candy without a second thought. Vancouver, Washington, November 6th, 2024. At 5 in the morning, a home security camera captured an unknown woman showing up to steal Halloween decorations right off the porch. Lawrence, Kansas, October 18th, 2018. In broad daylight, it caught a young man destroying pumpkins that belonged to their 6- and 9-year-old sons, while his friends shouted, "Let's go!" in the background. USA, October 31st, 2022. On Halloween night, a doorbell camera recorded a Jeep pulling up to a house as someone in a military-style costume ran up, grabbed the candy bowl, and sprinted back to the car. But the homeowner, who happened to be across the street, managed to jump into the Jeep and snatch the bowl back before the thieves drove away.
What the hell just happened? Alright, if I have to sit out here with a damn chair and a bat, I will.
Kingwood, Houston, Texas. On Halloween night, a doorbell camera recorded a shocking moment.
And okay, just open the bowl. You just open the bag. There you go. Hold the bag. Yes. Oh, let's go. Come on, hurry up.
A father teaching his own daughter to steal candy straight from a treat bowl. Toms River, USA, October 30th, 2022. A security camera recorded an adult woman stealing all the candy from neighborhood buckets, while her young son stood by and watched. Later that night, she was caught on camera doing the exact same thing at another house. USA, October 31st, 2021. On Halloween night, a doorbell camera captured two candy thieves running across the lawn, grabbing an entire bowl of candy from the porch and dashing back to their car, as one person off camera could be heard saying, "It's bad manners to run through people's grass." Glens Falls, New York, October 31st, 2023. After grabbing a handful, they dumped the entire bucket of candy into their bags, tossed it onto their wagon, and walked off, leaving no candy behind for the kids. Dubbed the Senior Halloween Bandits, they made sure only the AARP members scored big that night. USA, October 31st, 2022. On Halloween night, it wasn't the kids causing trouble, but the parents.
Here, I'll open your bag. Open your bag. The end of the night, no one's gonna come in.
Why? It could be the end of the night, but kids are still coming. I'm in the house. I see you. Can you not be greedy and rude and leave some for other kids? Thank you.
These bags.
I heard what you said, dude. Come on. Other kids are still coming. Have a good night. Have a good night.
I will. You too. Got some for Mikey? I got you.
Yeah, I heard you down the street.
Corpus Christi, Texas, October 3rd, 2023. Security cameras captured the moment a thief crept onto a porch at night and stole a Halloween animatronic decoration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more shocking moments caught on camera.